Hi, I'm Rita. I'm here to teach you Class 3 Social Studies. Social Studies 14 Villages of India. 14 Villages of India. In this chapter, we will learn about basic needs of people in villages, Gram Panchayat, functions of Gram Panchayat, and 2 MCQs. Fill in the blanks. WH questions. Have a class discussion. India is a land of villages. Most of the people live in villages. The life of the people in the villages is quite different from what we see in the city. The population of the village is very less than the population of a city. A few hundred people live in a village. Most of the houses in the village are kacha houses and only a few pakka houses may be seen there. Most of the villagers do not have pakka roads. People have to walk long distances or travel by bullock carts. Many villages are now connected by buses. Today radio and television has reached most villages. Some Indian villages are large. Thousands of people live in them. Large villages have a primary and a high school, a dispensary, and a post office. The basic needs of the people living in villages include safe drinking water, electricity, roads, schools, and health centers. These are called civic amenities. In villages, the civic amenities are provided by the Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat. Every village in our country has a Gram Panchayat. It is also called the Gram Sabha. All men and women who are 18 years and above choose the members of the Gram Panchayat. An elected member of a Gram Panchayat is called the Panch. One of the members is made the Pradhan or Sarpanch of the Gram Panchayat. Every Panchayat must have at least a woman among its elected members. Functions of the Gram Panchayat. The Gram Panchayat works for the welfare of the village and to improve the life of the villagers. It looks after the needs of the people. The Gram Panchayat looks after the cleanliness of the village, building roads and digging wells for drinking water, street lighting, provide education to children, settling disputes between the villages, setting up of health centers, helping farmers grow better crops. In cities, the work of the Gram Panchayat is done by the municipal committees or municipal corporations. These bodies are also elected by the people. Activity. Select or elect a group of 5 students to form a class panchayat. New words. Gram Panchayat, the body that works for the development of the village. Sarpanch, Pradhan of Gram Panchayat. Municipal Committee, an elected body in cities or towns, and it provides and maintains public services. Recap. There are many villages in India. Each village has a Gram Panchayat. The head of the Gram Panchayat is called the Pradhan or Sarpanch. In cities, the work of Gram Panchayat is done by the municipal committee. The Gram Panchayat works for the welfare of the village and its people.